G'day everyone. If you're the sort of person who watches every single one of my videos, then channel membership just might be the thing for you. I've done a recent poll. 33% of my viewers do not know what a channel membership is. Just shy of 10% were members of another channel, and a bit over half were not members of any particular Bay channel. So, what is it and what can it do for you? Well, essentially, it's if you're familiar with Patreon, it's probably similar to that, but within the confines of the YouTube platform. I have it pretty cheap. It's like by $3 Australian a month. So I'll be creating early access to all my content. So generally, it'll be what I'll release it on a weekly schedule. You'll get access to that as soon as I upload it. And I'll also do some behind the scenes type of stuff. Some channel updates, and I'll probably throw in a few bloopers and outtakes and stuff that doesn't make it to the main video. So, you know, stuff that's probably a bit more for your amusement, and you can get to laugh at my expense if you really want to. So what else does it mean? Well, because it's an ongoing monthly fee structure, that helps the channel immensely to continue to grow and create better content as well. So how do you join? Well, there's a little join button below the video, so click that and go through all the process and basically enjoy channel membership. So now that you know what the channel membership is, I hope you consider joining Shane Shed YouTube channel as a member, and I'll be greatly appreciated. So take it easy, people, and I'll see you next time.